Now see this. This is the book exercise of the same chapter, multiple choice questions, MCQ. First question is, which of the following attribute is used to give name of the form? Answer is name. Answer is name. Then which of the following method is used to send the form information in the HTTP environment? Answer is post method. Answer is post method. Then which of the following allows the user to enter the confidential information, that is password box? That is password box. I hope this is visible to all of you. Then which of the following cannot be nested? Which of the following cannot be nested? Answer is form. Form tag cannot be nested. Which of the following attribute is defines the name of image? Answer is SRC, that is called source of the image. Then which of the following is long box that allows for one line of text? Answer is text box. Answer is text box. Isn't it? Is it clear? Now, next, fill in the blanks. To add a form to a page, we will use form element, FORM, form element. We will use form element. Dash attribute specifies URL to which the data of the form need to be sent. Answer is action. Action attribute specify URL to which data of the form need to be sent. Answer is action. ACTION, action. Next question. Form plays a major role to gather information from user, and it uses the graphical user interface environment. This is called GUI. GUI stands for graphical user interface. Graphical user interface. Next is, dash boxes are used when you want the user to select one or more of limited number of choices. Answer is checkboxes. Answer is checkboxes. Checkboxes are used when you want the user to select one or more of limited number of choices. Last is post method. Post method send the form information in the HTTP environment. This question is given in MCQ also. Yeah. Which of the following method is used to send the form information in the HTTP environment? Answer is post. So this question is available in fill-ups as well as MCQ. Clear? Next page. Next page. Write T for true and F for false against each statement. First is max length attribute specify the number of characters to be entered in the text box. Answer is true. Value attribute of text box specifies the text to be displayed in the text box. Answer is true. Name attribute specify URL to which the data of the form need to be sent. Answer is false. Get method is highly recommended as it is secure and visible to only concerned user. Answer is false. And last is forms cannot be nested. Answer is true. So first true, second true, third false, fourth false, and last one is true. Next is match the column A with column B. So you have to write numbers like 3, 5, 4, 2, 1. I hope this is visible to all of you. 3, 5, 4, 2, 1. Now read the answer. Method. Method means how to submit the form information. Input tag means it is used to obtain text from user. Get method. Get method sends the information to the server in one step. Post method. Post method sends the data to the server in two steps. Name attribute used to give the name of the form. Clear? Now, very short answer type questions. It provides an interface for collecting, displaying, and delivering information and are key component of HTML. Answer is forms. Answer is forms. 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 Second question. It defines an image as the submit button. Answer is image button. Answer is image button. Next, it allows the user to choose one item from the list. Answer is pop up box. Pop up box. Pop up box. This attribute tells the server how to submit the form information. Method. Method attribute tells the server how to submit the form information. Now short answer, very short answer type questions we have done. I hope all of you have written the answer of very short answer type question. Now I am moving further, that is short answer type questions. That is short answer type questions. Now, question is, what are the forms and why are they used? Answer is given here. Forms provide an interface for collecting, displaying, and delivering information, and it is a key component of HTML. Clear? Then question says that why are they used? Listen, the answer of this question is given here. It is used to collect, in the same answer it is written here, it is used to collect, display, and deliver the information. So form is nothing but it is an interface for collecting, displaying, and delivering information. Okay, this is the purpose of the form, and it is the key component of HTML. So this is the answer of first question. Next question is, differentiate between the text box and the password box. Page number 32. Page number 32. You have to open page number 32. In did you know section, पेज नंबर 32 इन डिड यू नो, यहाँ आपको मिलेगा डिड यू नो. इन दैट you will get answer. The difference between the text box and password box is that the special character displayed in password box, whereas इसके आगे लिखना आंसर, whereas in text box it display only normal text. The difference between the text box and password box is that the special character displayed in password, whereas in text box it display normal text. Normal text. Next question is, what do you mean by input tag? What do you mean by input tag? Page number 36. Page number 36. This is the last page of the chapter. Question is, what do you mean by input tag? See here, input tag heading. Input tag is used to accept data from the user. Input tag is used to accept data from the user. Next question, how do we create image button? We create image button by input tag. Question is, how do we create image button? We create image button by input tag. We create image button by input tag. Next line, syntax. Next line is syntax. Syntax में क्या लिखोगे? जो मैं लिख रहा हूं आप लिखना, ठीक है? इनपुट, पहले हेडिंग लिखना syntax, 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 and then next line में input type equals to image name equals to img, src, source of the picture, file, then close this. Or if you want to give height and width, to write height, height equals to 300, like this. Or if you want to give width also, So width equals to 300. This much you have to write. This is the way to insert image button in your form. Now, next question is long answer type questions. Differentiate between get method and post method. Come here in the last page of this chapter, that is let us recall. Now answer is get method and post method both are written here. Get method sends the information by including it on the URL. Second point, get method sends the information to the server in one step. So these are the two difference. ठीक है, अब post method में आते हैं. It sends the form information in HTTP environment. Or second point you have to write, the post method sends the information to the server in two steps. In two steps. Listen, once again you have to listen. Get method sends the form information by including it on URL. ये get method में हो गया. तो इसके corresponding जो difference आएगा post method में, post method sends the form information in HTTP environment. देखो ये URL में भेजता है और ये HTTP environment के थ्रू भेजता है. Clear? Second difference क्या है? The get method sends the form information to the server in one step. ये one step में भेजता है. तो post method में क्या आएगा? आप यहाँ पर थोड़ा चेंज करना. The post method, जहाँ get लिखा है वहां लिखना post method. The post method sends the form information to the server in two step. यहाँ जो one step लिखा है post वाले में two step हो जाएगा. फिर समझ लो गेट वाले में आपका वन स्टेप आएगा और पोस्ट वाले में आपका टू स्टेप्स हो जाएगा. यहाँ गेट मेथड लिखा है, पोस्ट वाले में आप पोस्ट मेथड लिखोगे. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज explain checkboxes. Write the syntax to create checkboxes on HTML form. First is explain checkboxes and write the syntax to create checkboxes in HTML form. Now first you write this one. Checkboxes are used. क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ रहा है आपसे? क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है एक्सप्लेन चेक बॉक्सेस. पहले आपको चेक बॉक्स को एक्सप्लेन करना है. तो एक्सप्लेन चेक बॉक्सेस. द चेक बॉक्सेस आर यूज्ड व्हेन यू वांट द यूजर टू सेलेक्ट वन और मोर ऑफ लिमिटेड नंबर ऑफ चॉइसेस. ये डेफिनेशन हो गई. एंड देन क्वेश्चन कह रहा आगे, राइट द सिंटेक्स टू क्रिएट चेक बॉक्स ऑन HTML फॉर्म. So you have to write only this much. Input type equals to checkbox, name equals to C1, value equals to create क्रिकेट एंड क्रिकेट, दिस मच यू हैव टू राइट। जितना मैंने सेलेक्ट किया है उतना लिखो, जितना सेलेक्ट किया है उतना ही लिखना बस। मार्क्ड। Now next question is explain the input tag with attributes. Explain the input tag with attributes. Okay. Now listen. Input tag or input element both are same. Both are same. So first you write the answer either from the input element or you can write from here. Now input tag. Question is explain the input tag. पहले input tag को बताना है. तो input tag is used to accept data from the user. User से value लेने के लिए we have input tag. In let us recall, it is written. Input tag is used to accept data from the user. Clear? Then question says that with attributes. अब इसके attribute बताने हैं, तो attributes are first attribute is type. First attribute is type. TYP देखो, input type. Type is attribute. Type के बाद क्या आएगा? Name. NAME name. Name is attribute. Name के बाद value. Value is also attribute. Type, name and value. These three are the attributes of input tag. अब आप कहोगे एक्सप्लेन करना है, तो एक्सप्लेन में देखो नेम, नेम एट्रीब्यूट, नेम एट्रीब्यूट स्पेसिफाई अ नेम टू, टेक्स्ट बॉक्स नहीं लिखोगे यहां पर, नेम टू इनपुट कंट्रोल, नेम टू इनपुट कंट्रोल। इनपुट कंट्रोल का क्यों कह रहा हूं? क्योंकि आप टेक्स्ट बॉक्स भी बना सकते हो, आप चेक बॉक्स भी बना सकते हो, आप रेडियो बटन भी बना सकते हो, ठीक है, आप कुछ भी बना सकते हो। क्लियर? तो आप देखोगे यहाँ पर नेम specify a name to input control. Similarly, value display the initial text in the input control. यहाँ पर टेक्स्ट बॉक्स की जगह इनपुट कंट्रोल लिखना है हर बार, टेक्स्ट बॉक्स की जगह इनपुट कंट्रोल। क्लियर?